If you need a lot of dental work and you want it done in the shortest and the most comfortable way possible, Sedation Dentistry is the answer. This is Dr. Atcha in Dyer, and my sedation techniques help my patients correct years of painful and embarrassing problems with their teeth in as little as one appointment, while they are completely comfortable and relaxed. Listen, I can help you too. You wouldn't think of having surgery without sedation, so why would your serious dental problems be any different?
The following videos are patients who have decided to share their story with other patients that are going to be coming into our office. They were all treated under IV sedation, and they were all very scared to come in and make that first step in that phone call to get their work done. And now they are all back on the road to medical and dental health. We have actually turned them into dental missionaries. Most of them do not need to be sedated when they come into the office for their care any longer. I encourage you to take the time to watch the video, and we look forward to seeing you here in the office. This is Helen, and she had sedation here in our office. How did it go for you, Helen?
Well, I was scared at first, very scared, very, very scared. But it turned out that it was one of the most fantabulous things I've ever done.
Were you scared of being at the dentist or having the work done?
I was scared of going to the dentist because of pain that I had experienced before. And I was not ready for pain. But over here they did a fantastic job. And the only thing I can say, I know there's no such word, but I'm trying to put two words together. They're just fantabulous. And if I had to do it over again, this is a place where I would come.
How has your interaction been with Dr. Atcha and the staff here?
Fantastic. They're very understanding and very kind.
Did you have any discomfort during your sedation?
None at all.
Do you remember very much?
Quite a bit, most of it. I do remember, and
but you
I
were
have nothing to
completely
complain
relaxed.
about. Oh God, yes.
Is there anything else you would like to share with someone who might be considering having this done?
Well, I'm even now bragging to everybody about the experience I had over here, and if possible, if anybody comes over here, they're coming to the best.
Thank you, Helen.
You're welcome.
Okay, this is Terry, and she's going to talk to us about what she had done here at Dyer Family Dentistry. Terry, what did you have done by Dr. Atcha?
I have an implant bridge with 2 implants in it, and everything was great from the beginning to the end. Even my first appointment, the receptionist was wonderful, and everybody here has been very good. I was very anxious about having any dental work done, and this has been a great experience.
You had your care done under sedation?
Yes.
And how was that comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Did you have any problems the next day?
No problems at all. In fact, I went to a wedding.
Did you have any sensitivity?
No, none at all. I did everything I was told, and I had no pain, no discomfort. I was given extra pain medication in case I needed it. I did not take 1 pill.
Do you remember very much from your surgery?
No. Just that, I was reassured, beforehand, and as soon as I was kind of coming out of it, and everything just seemed to go along just fine.
Okay. Is there anything you'd like to share with someone who might be considering this kind of treatment?
I know you're probably anxious about it. I know I was very nervous, but everything, here is just great. Everybody is going to help you and answer any questions, and if you're uncomfortable when you start out, you won't be at the end.
Okay. Thank you, Terry.
That's okay.
Robin, what did you have done here in our office?
Well, I had an implant put in on Friday. I had a tooth extracted and had an implant put in. I've also had crowns that are put on. I have temporary crowns right now. I had fillings done.
All under sedation?
Yes,
Okay.
under oral sedation.
After your visits, when you were sedated, did you remember much?
The first time, I kind of remembered the various parts of the work that they were doing. I mean, I didn't feel any pain or anything. It was completely relaxed. The last time when I had my tooth extracted, I don't even remember anything about it. It was fabulous. It was great to come in and sit down, and it's like I went to sleep or whatever, and you guys did your work, and the time went by so quick. I mean, I didn't even realize hours had passed. And then you guys were waking me up and saying, "Hey, you're done. You did great." I was like, fabulous. It's great.
Would you recommend sedation and implant dentistry to other people
Oh
like
my
you?
gosh, yes, absolutely. Especially if you're frightened of coming to the dentist and, you know, apprehensive. Like I'm very nervous about coming to the dentist, but this place is great. I would definitely recommend this. No doubt about it. It's the way to do it.
And did you have any problems eating before?
No, not really.
Okay.
Not eating.
Any problems now?
Oh, no. No,
Okay.
not at all. No.
And is there anything else you'd like to share with someone else who's going to come into our office?
Oh, golly. You guys are very, very professional. Everyone is really very caring. The dentist is fabulous. Dr. Atcha is wonderful. It's a great experience. I mean, you don't have to be frightened to come in here, honestly. I'm so glad I finally made that phone call and had the work done. So I feel good about myself again.
Okay. Thank you, Robin.
You're welcome.